Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your notebook of science. Today we will complete labeling of this lesson, our needs. This topic has already been delivered. Now I'm going to tell you the labeling of this lesson. Before starting labeling, you have to remember the main points of this lesson. What are our needs? Our needs are food, clothes, shelter, safe and clean water, and air. These are our basic needs. We can't live without our needs. So clothes are given here. Clothes are our needs. Clothes are our basic needs. We have to wear clothes according to weather. In winter weather, we wear woolen clothes. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. In rainy season, we have to take raincoat and umbrellas. We have to take raincoat and umbrellas. So students, today you will have to label these pictures that are given here. What is this picture showing? This picture is showing that this is winter season is going on. Winter season is going on, so you have to wear woolen clothes. So you will have to write here woolen, WOOLLEN, woolen, CLOTHES, clothes, woolen clothes. Next one is picture. You are seeing the sun is shining brightly. Look at this boy. This boy is wearing cotton clothes. So students, this picture is showing that summer season is going on. So this boy don't need to cover his body like in winter season. So these clothes are called cotton clothes. This boy is wearing cotton clothes, so you will have to write here COTTON, cotton, CLOTHES, clothes. Next one picture, look at here. What is this man holding? This man holding an umbrella and wearing, look at here. What is this man holding? This man is holding umbrella, and what is it? It is raining. It is raining. So we can say this is rainy season. So you have to take umbrellas and you have to wear raincoats in rainy season. You will have to write here raincoat and umbrella. Raincoat, RAIN, rain, COAT, coat, UMBRELLA, umbrella, WOOLLEN, woolen, CLOTHES, clothes, COTTON, cotton, CLOTHES, clothes. Next one chapter is of keeping fit. You are seeing here, this is chapter keeping fit. Now you will have to label these picture. After seeing these picture, you will have to label these. This topic is keeping fit, correct posture. You will have to write here. After seeing picture, you will have to write correct posture. What is the meaning of posture? The position of your back, shoulders, look at here, shoulders, when you are standing, when you are sitting, and when you are walking. when you will have to walk, you will have to walk upright, as straight as possible, and stand straight. Look at here, you will have to stand like this way, and you will have to sit like this way. So we can say these are correct postures. First of all, we will have to write here walk upright, W-A-L-K, walk, U-P up, R-I-G-H-T, right. Next one is stand, S-T-A-N-D, stand, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Next one is sit, S-I-T, sit, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, sit straight. These are correct postures. You will have to write here walk upright, stand straight, sit straight. You must always walk upright, and good postures keep your body fit. Good postures keep your body fit. They also make you look smart. You must remember to sit straight while writing, doing your homework or reading, and working on the computer. Okay students, today you will have to complete these worksheets of chapter number 8, keeping fit, and chapter number 7, our needs. You will have to paste these worksheets according to your chapter. After watching this video, if you are feeling any difficulty, so students, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.